Lefelo la tiragalo mo mme le bana ba gagwe ba le bararo ba bolailweng setlhogo mo teng ga ntlo ya gagwe ka go kgemetiwa ka selepe. Ba losika ba retelelwa ke go amogela dipolao tseno.
We are heartbroken and saddened by the incident. We knew she had problems with her boyfriend, but we didn't think he will kill her and the children.
Balelapa ba bonwe la bofelo ka la bobedi. Baagisane ba ne ba simolola go tshwenyega, mme ba ne ba dira dipatlisiso. Ba ne ba fitlhela ntlo e notletswe le monkgo o sa siamang o tswa mo teng ga ntlo, mme ba ne ba itsise Sepodisi. Philisiwe Makhubu, mawelana a gagwe Luyanda le Bandile, le yo monnye mo go bona Siphelele Makhubu ba fitlhetswe ba bolailwe.
When we approached, we found the children lying on the floor. One was covered with a blanket. Then the police asked us to leave. Police found that the suspect used an axe, and then the mother was tied at the back and hanged.
As a community, we are so shocked with the accident that happened in the Kosi family. So we are so shocked. We are feeling very sorry about what's happening. So all we wanted the justice for the family, for the whole family. We want the suspect rot in jail. We want him to not get bail.
Monna wa dingwaga di le matlhano le botlhano yo go dumelwang le molekane wa ga Philisiwe o tshwerwe.
As government, we are not happy. At least the community of Mkhondo assisted us. As we speak, the suspect is indeed arrested. Will appear in court tomorrow. I'm told that the suspect got a court order from the lady and was arrested at some point. He got released. He was deported back to Swaziland. He came back, obviously illegally, and he committed this crime.
Dikgetsi tsa tiriso dikgoka ya bong mo porofenseng ke tlhoba boroko. Baagi ba batla puso e tsereganye mme ba ikuela le gore bosiamisi bo diragadiwe.